So I was talking to my junior who's working on a project, and he asked me a question. Will it be okay if I assume myself as a user and start designing? So it's a genuine question. So I asked him, can a doctor cure himself by assuming himself as a patient? The answer is no, he can't. So this is a very elementary approach while you start a project. Our assumptions are correct or they are wrong. Let's understand it. So the definition of assumptions, something that you accept is true even though you have no proof. While we initiate a project, we assume a lot of things which may seem true, but we don't have any proof for it. So assumption is true or not, it's totally based on you have a proof for it. So as my junior asked, can he assume himself as a user? My genuine answer will be, there are two conditions for it. First, if you are not assuming yourself as the only user for this problem statement or this product that you are designing. Second, you are willing to consider the other possibilities and scenarios and willing to validate them in a later on stages, then you are on a right path. You can use assumptions. There's a better term for assumptions which is scientifically and technically used more often by the researchers to validate their solutions and assumptions. It's called hypothesis. So what is hypothesis? If you go to the Google and find an idea that is suggested as the possible explanation for something but not yet been found to be true or correct. In simple terms, an assumption which need to be validated or proof. That's called the hypothesis. So how you gonna validate your hypothesis? There is a two-step process for that. You have to test your design by user testing. You're gonna put your design in front of a user and give them a task to complete a journey from point A to point B. They complete a journey and you observe them, you survey them, you ask them questions. Their feedbacks, their answers give you a clear line of instructions, what went wrong, what is needed to be changed, and what went right. You jot down those feedbacks and implement in your designs. Now you have a clear picture of your hypothesis, which is nearly proof for a set of users. But the main aim to create this product, so it will cater a larger amount of users. And how you gonna do it? That's the step number 2. You're gonna test your designs again by using UX laws and principles. See, UX laws and principles are made by studying a very large audience and the user. They surveyed them, they study about them, they observe them, they ask multiple questions, so they can make a law which is validated for a larger set of audience. This technique is called heuristic evaluation. You're gonna evaluate your design by using this technique based on 10 heuristics which are derived from various UX laws and principles. If your design is being proven correct on these heuristics, then it will able to solve the problems of larger set of audience. And that's what you aiming while designing your project. So what we learned, that your assumptions are hypotheses which you're willing to validate with a real set of users and evaluate them on the basis of 10 heuristics. So it can cater the larger set of audience. Let me know while you're designing or initiating a project, what are the assumptions that you are taking in the comments below. Please consider like, share and subscribe and comment below, which motivates me to create more of these kind of videos. My name is Ekalavya Singhania and this is Designs of Everyday. You can also DM me in my Instagram handle, and that's here. See ya.